Hello, it's Just Gaming here, and welcome to a tutorial video. It's been a little bit of a while since I've done a tutorial, but this one is in Minecraft. It's not on Face, and it's not anything. This one is a Minecraft tutorial, and this one is probably going to be one of the simplest tutorials I've probably ever done so far. So today we are going to be doing a tutorial of how to make a simple house in Minecraft. So basically, just a simple house that basically people make when they create a new world, and I'm going to show them how it's absolutely pretty simple. So this is kind of like my house, but this is just my little base. This is my little base I've built, but I'm going to be building a little bit of a house, but I might not live in it. I might just build it. So yeah, basically we're going to be doing a tutorial of how to make a simple house in Minecraft, and it's pretty simple. It's really good. So I'm going to go and show you of actually how you make it. So basically, the first thing you need to start off with is, well, what do you want to make your house out of? Do you want to make it out of maybe wood or cobblestone or maybe dirt? You have a dirt house, but I'm going to go for the simple task and going for wood and cobblestone. I think that's going to be a good one because I do like cobblestone and I do like wood. So I'm going to go for the wood planks and cobblestone. I think I'm going to go for that. I think that's going to be a great one. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a simple house. To be honest, it is pretty simple. I know that a lot of people might not think it is simple because people can make all big kind of houses, but yeah, this house I'm building is going to be a simple one. So it's just a little bit of a simple house. So we're not building a big house, we're not building a little small house, we're building a medium-sized house. Probably a square because I don't want to bother with the stairs. So I'm just going to make myself a square boxed house and make it simple. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I might at some point do another tutorial of how to make a big house, but that's probably going to be a future one. So where shall we build this house? I think this little area should be okay. I'm not going to bother building it all the way down there. I think this little area here, I think should be okay. I'm just going to get rid of that cow because, like I said, he's going to get in the way, and like I said, I do need food from him, so just going to get rid of him. There we go. Let's go and get rid of that cow. So I think this is probably going to be okay. If I just flatten this out a little bit here, if I just put some dirt just going across there. I need to make sure that, that I have a completely big flat area, because otherwise it's not going to work. So yeah, I think probably here it's going to be okay. So this little area is going to be fine. Let's just go and start off by just marking that. There we go. That should be fine. Right. So I'm going to make my house. I'm going to make myself a simple house in Minecraft. It's pretty simple. Let's go and start off by getting a whole load of this wood. And also get myself a cobblestone. I've got myself a whole lot of cobblestone actually. I just got myself over a stack of cobblestone. This should be more than enough that we need. So, right, let's go and start off by doing the front of it. So it's going to be a simple one. So I'm going to start. I'm going to do it cobblestone wood, I think. So I think I'm going to go cobblestone going down here. So I'm not going to do it exactly too wide. So we'll have 2 doors. We'll go down this way about there. I think that should be fine, and let's go and start building across here. Another thing is I need to make sure that I do have enough cobblestone as well, because otherwise if I don't, it's not going to be yeah, it's not going to be enough. But because like I said, I basically got my own mine anyway, so I could just go down there and I can basically just go and do that. But it's not going to take me too long. So let's go and just build up to there, and let's go and build across here like that. And now I'm going to go for the wood. So I'm not gonna basically really bother making this actually too long, because like making a simple house is completely brilliant. But I'm not going to go complete into full detail of this house, because it's only a house that I'm basically showing you guys. But I think it's going to be a good house that I'm going to really enjoy. So let's go and start building across here like that, and start building across here. Like that, and let's go and put a cobblestone on like that, and let's go and put cobblestone going across here. So basically the way how I'm doing it is I'm just doing it the cobblestone and wood way, so I think that's going to be a lot bit easier. So let's go and start building across here like that. And like I said, if I don't have enough wood, I will go and probably just get some more wood, because that'll just be like a little bit easier than just like not messing yeah, then just not messing about. So I think I'm just gonna basically just I'm gonna do it about 5 high, because like basically the problems about building these houses as well is I don't like having a roof where I bang my head on it where I can't jump. So I usually do the roofs about 5. Just because, and then that means I can't like bang my head on the roof, apart from if it's that high up. So, and that's kind of like the way how I basically do it. So I think that's probably going to be the way how I'm actually going to be doing it, because I do it like 5 high. So I've got 3 high at the moment, so we just need to go another yeah, we just need to go another 2 high. So if we just go basically another 2 now, I will be able to bang my head. So basically, if I do that now, it should be completely fine. So if I just start building across here, I just get some more wood from here. I basically will go and get some more when I've done this. But apart from that, I actually don't think we actually need any more, because I think I'm going to have the what should I have the roof out of? I think I might just go for the cobblestone, because I think wood's going to be a little bit weird. So I think I'm just going to go for the cobblestone roof, because I think that's going to be a lot cool. So we just got this cobblestone here, and then basically I'll just go and get some more from my own mine, and then like I said, we'll start off by doing the roof. So this is like how simple a house normally is, because if you're making a house that's completely quite cool, please let me know in the comments below if you're making like a pretty simple house. But like my house is not really that simple, to be honest with you. But apart from that, I'm just like making a completely like big square box one, so I just don't have to go like too deep in it. So that's kind of the way how I'm doing it. So let's go and head my way just down here, just to get some more cobblestone. Have I got my pickaxe on me? Yeah, I've got my pickaxe just right here. So if I just go and mine it some more, I've actually started to do some tunnels. I've just done one that way and done this one this way. So this kind of like my tunnel mine. So if I just get myself just a load of this from here, and then like I said, we'll start off by doing that. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a simple. I'm going to do another one at some point, and I'm going to make one like a really like big tall house or something, like a very big tall one. Because like this is basically the first one that came out of my head, because like basically the one I recorded last time, that wasn't really a simple one. That was like, I think basically the one I did last time was on a world one. So basically I think I just set up that world, and basically this world I'm in right now is called Face Cam Tutorials. Basically I know I know that I can't get face cam in it because my camera don't work, but basically yeah, it's called Face Cam Tutorial. So basically every single like video I'll be thinking of, I'll be doing it in this world. So basically I'll be thinking of like tutorials of what to think of. So yeah, that's what is going to be the aim for it, because tutorials are cool, aren't they? Tutorials are like completely so cool to be able to do. And it has been a while since I last done one. It has been a while since I've last done one, but I might as well just get wrapped into it and just do one right now for you guys. Just because the tutorials are quite cool, and I think I might be able to design one for you. So let's go and start off by mining from some here. So I'm just going to get myself a stack, and that's going to be more than enough that we need, because we don't need to ramble on too long about all this cobblestone. So we've just got nearly a stack right now, and there we go. Right, we've got a stack. Right, let's go and get back, because like I said, this is supposed to be a tutorial, not a building episode. It's supposed to be a recap tutorial. But like I said, I'm going to try and make these tutorials for rap play. Rap play, is that a word? I don't know I don't know if that's a word, but yeah, I'm just going to make these videos rap play, and yeah, make them completely as normal. So let's go and start building across here. I believe I've done this 5 now. Yep, I think that should be fine there. So I believe if I do this roof now, I think I should not bang my head. There we go. So basically I won't be able to bang my head now. So I'm just going to do the roof out of cobblestone. Hopefully I've got enough cobblestone. So I've actually only got 38 now. Hopefully I've got enough cobblestone, because there's a little bit of concentrating where I get cobblestone and then I don't have enough of it. So hopefully I should have enough. Oh, I'm getting a little bit scared. I'm not going to have enough here. Right, come on, please be enough. Please be enough. I don't want to bother going back to the mines. No, I didn't have enough. I knew that was going to happen. I did not have enough. I knew basically a stack would have not done to the roof. That was incredible. So, well, wrong side. So yeah, let's go and head my way down here. So I think we just need another 20. I think another 20 should be more than enough. And then yeah, we'll start off by doing that. And then yeah, that'll be a completely awesome roof. So let's go and just get myself just another of 20. And then yeah, that's it. That's a simple house. And then I need to start off by working on the inside. I'm actually only going to have one floor, just because it's not really a simple one. So I'm just going to have one floor, and that floor is going to be like your bedroom. So like basically your like bedroom sort of area, like basically like your little sort of bedroom where you can basically sleep on or something like that. So yeah, it's basically going to be like a simple bedroom. Where people sleep or something like that, and then basically your downstairs can be like your living room or something like that, like basically your living room or something. I can't even get out the door. Yeah, your simple like sort of living room area. So I'm gonna like do stuff like that. That should be That should be good. So, right, so let's go and just finish this off here. Let's just go and finish this off. One thing I need to do, by the way, is I need to go and do the, yeah, I need to go and do the upstairs as well. Oh, wait, actually, I don't think we're going to be able to have an upstairs. I think I've done it, yeah, I think I've done it way too low, actually, because an upstairs needs to be like 7. So, I think, yeah, so basically, you're going to be sleeping downstairs. So, you're going to be, yeah, so you're going to be sleeping downstairs. I think that's going to be the name for it. So, the floor, I think I'm just going to, I think I might just have cobblestone for the floor. Because I don't think I'm going to bother, yeah, I'm not going to really bother with the, with stone or anything, so I think I'm just going to have a cobblestone floor. Like this house is supposed to be a cobblestone and a wood like house. Like I know that the rest of it's all in cobblestone, but like cobblestone's like the greatest thing in Minecraft because you find it everywhere and you can build out of it. So that's quite good. So I think I'm just going to go for the cobblestone floor because I'm not going to really bother like just messing about and breaking it away because like I said, it's supposed to be a simple tutorial. It's supposed to be a simple tutorial where I'm making a simple house in Minecraft. It's supposed to be that. That's what I'm supposed to be doing, okay? That is what I'm supposed to be doing in this video, not bloody messing about. So, if I could do that in a pretty good spirit, that should be fine. Alright, let's go and start building along like that. I think just over a stack should be okay. I think a stack of about 20 should be okay for the floor because that's what I usually go for. Just because otherwise, if I don't have enough, it's pretty good to like overlay the cobblestone. But basically, when you don't have enough, you have to run back and get some more, and it's kind of like a little bit annoying, but it's completely fine because like I said, I'm very, very good at mining, so that should be fine. A stack of 17, I think that should be more than enough that I need. Right, let's go and start doing the floor. Have I got myself my sure? Yes, I do here. And also we're basically going to be making the doors, so I might as well just go and put them down now, just because that we can put the other doors down when we've done that. So yeah, let's go and start off by breaking the ground away. So I'm basically just going to go for a cobblestone, and yeah, I'm just going to go for a cobblestone floor, and that's going to be the best one. So I'm just going to go for that. So let's go start off by just breaking the whole of the floor. And I'm taking my time because I am still on the stone tools on this world at the moment. So yeah, it's just going to be a simple one that I'm going to be able to do. So let's go and just build across here like that. Let's go and start destroying this away. And there we go. Right, that's that done. Right, have we got enough cobblestone? Hopefully we have got enough because I've actually not made it a completely great size, but hopefully this should be okay. So let's go and start off by building across here like that. And this is how pretty simple a house normally is. Like, you could just build like a completely simple house if it's like a rectangle house or a square house, or if it's like a rectangle or maybe a circle. Like circles a little bit impossible to do, but if you guys can have a circle one, I believe. Like I built like a few circle houses before, but I've just not really built one in a really, really good style. So if I can literally completely build one in a really good style, I think that should be good. I think that should be to be honest, it might not be like as good, but if I could be able to like build a simple house without that, that should be absolutely brilliant. So let's go and just get some torches. Right, let's go and just, have we got any food, by the way? Oh yeah, we've got some food. I get a little bit worried we don't have any food there, but we have got some food, because my hunger's gone low because of building that house. Let's go and just munch up. Right, let's go and just head down here. And the house is almost nearly done. Only thing we just need to do now is we just need to put some torches on it. And I think that's pretty much the end of it. Is that the end of the house? Do we need to, should we add any details? Well, to be honest with you, since the house is quite bland, let's go and add some stuff in. So let's go and add a crafting table in. Maybe a furnace, maybe? Have we got enough for a furnace? I think we've got enough for a furnace as well. Let's go and add one of them. Let's have 2. Oh, I made 3 for some reason. Never mind. It looks like you can have 3 instead, and not 4. So you can have 3 furnaces. What's going to be good? Wait. Oh, actually, maybe a telly. Maybe you can have like a little bit of a telly to like watch TV or something. That'll be a good idea. Let's just go put them doors down. I'm just gonna have a look at if I've got any wool about, because I think I should have some wool somewhere. If I haven't, there's a sheep right there, so I might as well just get that wool from that sheep if I haven't got any. I'm just gonna have a look if I've got any. I haven't got any in here. Wait, is that wool there? Is that wool? No, that's not wool. I'm just gonna check if I've got any wool. I don't think I've got any wool. Nope. Okay. Okay, I haven't got any wool. Okay, well, at least there's a sheep right there, so I might as well just nick that one. Sorry, sheep, I need to have your wool, unfortunately. There we go, let's go and have that. And let's go make myself a painting, then. Let's go make myself a nice, lovely painting for him. Let's go and just go in here. Let's go make himself a painting. I don't know. Oh, here we go. Let's go make myself some sticks first. Is it? Yeah, 10 should be okay. Let's go and make myself a painting then for him. Let's just go and have that. There we go. He can basically have himself a painting for a TV. And also, while we're here, have we got any stairs? No, we haven't got any stairs on us. Let's go and just make some stairs for him as well. Let's make cobblestone. Cobblestone's quite cool. Let's go make some cobblestone. There we go. Yep, 4's going to be more than enough that I need. Is there going to be anything else that I might add to his collection? I think that's okay. I think that should be fine. I think, to be honest, I'm not gonna add too many details to it because otherwise I'm gonna be going on too long in the video. So I think this is probably everything that he needs. I put the painting there. What's going to be a good painting for him? Let's go and have a look what we've got. Oh, that looks quite good. Let's go and have a look what paintings we've got. Oh, it's got to be that one. It's got to be the maze one. It's got to be the maze painting. And let's go and add his seats down here. And also let's go make him a little bit of a table as well. Have we got any stuff that we need? I think we should have enough fences. What fences can I make? Can I not make any fences? I can't make any fences. I can make a little bit of wood. That's fine. Let's go make him. Yep, 3 fences. That'll be okay. And also let's make him some pressure plates as well. We can actually make him some. Have we got enough for the wooden ones? I'm actually not sure if we've got enough for the wooden ones. Let's go and just have a look right now. Yes, I do. So can we make 2 of these? Yes, we can. Oh, there we go. It looks like we had enough to make 2. That's okay. So let's go and just add his little table down here, and let's go put that like that. And yeah, this is looking good. This is actually looking very, very good. I think I've done a really good job on this simple house. But like I said, it is simple, so that is actually completely fine. So I think that's everything. I think that is everything that we need to do. I think I'm just going to add some dirt there. I know that dirt is not really good for the house, but it's just some decoration. So I'm just gonna go and add some in there. Oh, another thing is I think he needs a chest as well. I think a chest is going to be a good idea. I don't think I've got enough wood for a chest though. I don't think I've got enough for a chest. No, I haven't. Okay, I'm just gonna have a look if I've just got enough wood. And yeah, let's go and put him a chest in as well. I think he deserves a chest as well. Let's go and give him one of them, and then I think we should be done on the house. I don't think there's anything else that we need to add. Let me just go and have a look if I've got all the right things. Have we got any wood? I don't think we've got any wood. I don't think it really matters then. I might just go and do that off camera or something. So yeah, let's go and just just go and exit back in there, and yeah, that house is pretty much done. There's nothing else that we need to do on it. So yeah, so that was the tutorial of how to make a simple house in Minecraft. It's pretty simple. So I've just done a simple house right here. So basically, let me just go and tell you a few details how it works. So basically, the way how it works is you can get any block in the game. So any block that you find when you start a world or something. And basically, when you've done that, you can build anything. Just build like a square, rectangle, or circle, whatever kind of design you want. And basically, when you've done that, you basically do the roof, and then you can add some decorations on the inside that are quite cool as well. And maybe you can have an upstairs or something, but it's basically just a simple house that has 1 floor, and that's kind of like the thing I wanted to go for. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed these tutorials. I'm going to try and do a lot more of these tutorials on Minecraft at some point. I'm going to try and do a lot more of them. I know that I don't do them a lot anyway, but I'm going to try and do them a lot more on this world as possible, and hopefully there'll be a lot more that I'm thinking of. Also, I'm going to try and do some tutorials on Face as well. So basically, these tutorials will be split on Faces and gaming videos, just because it'll just be a lot easier than just doing them on Minecraft all the time. So we can do them on Faces as well. But this one has been probably a simple one. So yeah, more tutorials up very soon on Face and Minecraft at some point if I've got any more. But I know it's been a bit of a while since the last one, but it's okay. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial on the simple house in Minecraft. So plenty more of them coming up very soon on Minecraft and Faces. But for now, I want to thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.